Hello everyone, I'm Devon. Through video playing, we are going to demonstrate iFactory shop floor. Before starting, we need to have service of shop floor be ready. It includes shop floor front desk job report, shop floor portal, dashboard, and a set of account and password to let you to log into shop floor portal. At first, for shop floor job report, this is a platform which provides production operators to report job order. On the left-hand side of the sidebar, you can see the workstation list which associates with this device. By switching to different page of the workstation, you can see the statuses and the information of every workstation. Then, please look at the service of the shop floor portal. Please select manufacturing orders from sidebar. It provides production supervisor to build up manufacturing orders and manager work order. Please look at the shop floor dashboard. Production overview is a control panel which shows the whole performance of manufacturing orders and statistics. It can help supervisor to manage everything fully at one glance. Move to demonstration how to build up work orders from portal by manager of the production and operator to report progress of jobs. At first, please open the page of shop floor portal. Select manufacturing orders in sidebar. Please press Add to open a new manufacturing order. After it, please input the ID, product name, product quantity, unit, planned start time, and planned finish time. Responsible. Responsible means the creator of the manufacturing order. Next step, please press Add in the work order list to add work orders. Work order ID will automatically produced by manufacturing order ID. Entering process shows status on machine. And select group digit file. Which is your device associated with, and dispatch station file to produce work order. Adding another work orders. Please select process and choose station. Choose station 6 to produce the work orders. Press Submit. And you can complete work order build up and dispatch. Then, please switch to front desk job report to report work order status. Please choose station 5, which you built it up just now is work order to report. Please select Reporter. And submit. You can input output quantity and entry quantity to report. And press Submit to continuous report. If the quantity of the OK is over the target, the work order will show down and recall the finish time itself. In addition to using Portal to build up work orders, operator on-site can check Add Work Order to create new work orders by themselves. Select Creator of Work Orders and input related information. They can create new work orders by using keyboard import or barcode scanner as well. You can trace and record the related information after selecting the work orders. Move to Dashboard. You can track all records of the work orders and statistical data. Above are the visual demonstration of shop floor, from create order, job report to dashboard. Thank you for participating.